Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn about our first candlestick, which is hammer. So basically we can say one hammer is it's a wick. We have a long wick, we have a body, and wick need to be 2/3 and body must be 1/3. Hammer can be green color, can be red color, but the first thing is hammer need to form hammer can be formed in support, hammer can be formed in resistance. So so always we need to see where the hammer is forming, so that we can take our action, make our decision accordingly, because hammer in resistance and hammer in support both serve different roles. And where when we see a hammer, what should be our course of action, we need to learn right now. What I just previously explained, one hammer should be like this is a long wick, 1/3 of the body should be present, and it is a indication of trend change, and the trend is about to, after bullish trend it going to be bullish, after bearish trend it is going to be a bullish trend. So here you can see a hammer, body 2/3, sorry, wick 2/3, body 1/3. So here the hammer forms, and in the very next candle we see a bullish momentum, because the hammer is forming near the support zone. Now we are going to see if a hammer forms in resistance zone. Now here you can clearly see one hammer candle is forming in the resistance zone. So here the resistance zone hammer is forming. So does it confirm that trend is going to continue, trend is going to change? The answer is no. Here inside the hammer all the candles are present, and it is the indication of trend change only when it form in support. But here in resistance, when hammer is forming, we need to ignore it and wait for the trend continuation and or any reversal. So further examples we will know more about hammer, and it will clear our concept. As you can see here okay, as you can see, here is one hammer, next candle is hammer, almost they are forming in a support zone. Does this indicate that market is going to up? Answer is no. It is a indication, or you can say warning signal, that trend might be changed, but it is not the signal that is indicating trend is going to reverse immediately. It might reverse, but doesn't necessarily always that it will reverse immediately, but after some time the warning might be right and it might change its trend. So you can see here hammer is forming. So here our warning signals, we need to wait. We should not plan any of our trades. So when our our warning signal confirms that here the trend is changed, previous day highs are breaking. Also here also you can see clearly here forming a support, and now it is about to change its trend. Now you can see a bullish movement. So clear, exactly same when a hammer forming in resistance zone. As you can see, here is a hammer, here is a hammer, but does this hammer serve its purposes? No, because they are forming in a resistance zone. In longer time frame, these are important resistance. So if you see a hammer, wait till the range breakout, then you can plan your trade. Here another example of hammer, here one hammer is forming and next the trend is upward. But the question is only we need to see the hammer whether the market is going to up or down. The answer is completely no. It is a warning signal so that we can make our trading decision efficiently, but there are a lot of other factors decide the trend of a market. What are the previous day closing, what are the major support and major resistance, all the things we need to consider. Then after that we will plan our trades. But any kind of technical analysis or anything beyond that, only we need to cover our risk and reward ratio as per our capacity, so we can manage our money efficiently. So the thing is, all the technical analysis and all the rest of the fundamental analysis or anything would be fine, but our major goal should be risk to reward and discipline in the market in a longer period of time. So for this this is the last example of hammer. You can see a hammer is forming and market is going up. So for today's video, this is all about hammer candle, and in the subsequent videos, next videos, we will see the other candles. Thank you for watching till the last. Please like, share and subscribe. It would be great help.